Um, Thanks for showing up. This is a great turnout. This is our second seminar. We have more people here today than we had last month, which means the word is spreading, and that's good. That's exactly what we want. The reason we're doing this seminar, I'm going to go over, probably repeat myself from the last seminar, is because we have a problem at Abilene. And we're looking for you guys for solutions to that problem. The problem is, mainly there's too much work out there, which is a great problem and a great thing for us to be in. But we need more leaders. We're expecting you guys to grow as fast as you possibly can. We're going to try to give you the information you need and the support you need to grow. Quite frankly, there's at least 10 years worth of work at this pace, or basically as much as we can handle. So the faster we grow and develop our infrastructure, the more business we're going to have, and the more we're all personally going to be. We're gonna develop together. We're going to grow. I'm going to go over this again. This is our current chart. Basically, it's the org chart. I mean, I'm at the top, and you got Vinny and Anthony as project managers. We have Laquat as a field super. The field super is responsible for more than one job site at any given time. We have Dean on the other side as a field super. We have Egbert, Fabian, Mark, and Donald as foreman now. The yellow spots pretty much need to be filled as fast as we can fill them safely. We can't just throw someone in there that is going to not have enough experience and create problems, because growth at a tremendous rate can be bad. So we have to control it. We have to make sure that we're giving the customer what they want. Now, if you're an apprentice, you have to learn what you need. Apprentice comes in 3 positions. You have apprentice welder, apprentice pipe fitter, and apprentice electrician. If you're an apprentice, you need to know what the next position up, the junior welder, pipe fitter, or electrician needs to do. And it's important that junior helps the apprentice grow. We're going to create an environment where that's strange to most of us, where we want to actually try and help everyone grow, as opposed to in the old days. I remember days where we had electricians and pipe fitters that pretty much didn't want to give that information up for fear of job security, and they would send the helper out when they were trying to make the last connection so the guy couldn't learn. That's not going to work anymore. We need to be able to share our knowledge. James, you remember those days, right? It's no good. We're going to start a new a new system, a new way of doing things, a new way of thinking, and we're going to share our knowledge. We're going to give it away so that we can all move up, because there's room for growth for everyone that wants it. The pipe fitters, the mechanics, they have to mentor the guys underneath them and help them grow. The foreman is responsible to mentor everyone below him. The field super is the same way with the foreman. You have to help them grow. You have to help them learn. You have to help them correct their mistakes. You have to be supportive of them. This has to happen fairly quickly. So we're gonna be doing these seminars. We're actually recording them to try to create a systematic training tool for future guys coming on, so we don't have to keep doing this over and over again. The information, we go to job sites and you see certain things that maybe shouldn't be the way we up to our standards, and it has to be corrected, because we are the best right now. I have one question. Are you guys ready to lead? Okay, that's why you're here, and that's what we're going to try to help you do. All right? This is typical of what we see. When we walk into a boiler room, we do a survey. You can see the dilapidated condition. This is on any given job. I don't even know what address it's from, but here's a before picture. All right, and there's a finished product. That standard is what we want on every single job, and we have to be able to provide that to our customers. Our customers look to us for this product, and that's why they're lining up to do business with us. That we cannot drop that standard. That's number one. Quite frankly, we can improve on even this. And how we're going to improve is and when we create systems and we do things more systematically and we communicate more effectively, this will become, we'll find ways to improve on it. And the only way we're going to do that is if you guys in the field that are actually doing the work can come up with suggestions and say, hey, I see you doing it this way, but what if you turn to 45 on this angle? Maybe you could take a 45 out of it and be a little more efficient. And we're open to suggestions. We don't have it down by any means. I mean, there's always room for improvement. This is a pretty standard steam boiler, natural gas conversion, which everyone is doing now. But the thing is, as we grow and as we gain more knowledge, we're able to get bigger and better jobs. And when I say that, I mean jobs that 5 years ago, if someone said to me, we'd be putting a building up on a roof of another building and putting a boiler in it, which is what we're doing now, I would have said, you're out of your mind. Mentally, I don't think I can handle anything like that. And we have the capabilities of doing it, and we're doing it right now. This is 145 4th Avenue. This is on top of a 2-story building that we actually reinforced the roof to be able to handle the load. We built this building on it. We have a boiler inside. There's smoke glass in here. So it's going to be really cool. We're going to actually run, what we have, the lights, fiber optic lights, and they're going to be changing colors at night. So it's going to be like the Empire State Building. This is really going to be a spectacle. But we have the capabilities of putting a building up now and running steam pipe down to the basement. You can see all the copper pipes coming up out of the rise. This is dropping 30 feet down. That's just to the basement. I don't know if most of you guys haven't been there. Some of you guys are actually doing the work right now. It's phenomenal. But that's the type of work we could do in the future. Let's say 10 years from now, the gas boom is gone. What do? Well, you know what? We're well educated enough. We can do anything. We can go into air conditioning, refrigeration. We can go into natural gas generators, cogeneration. This type of stuff is open. I mean, that's going to be the next boom after this little gas conversion is over. So I just want to try to get you excited a little because this has never been a better time for us in our industry. I mean, there are guys in college. They went to school for 4 years. They got their degree. They got $150,000 in debt, and they can't get jobs right now. But the trades are where it's at, and this is a great time for us. And you guys are definitely in the right place at the right time.